Rezoomex Idea to Strategy Workshop. Have a great product idea but not sure how to turn it into a strategic plan? The Rezoomex Idea to Strategy Workshop helps you do just that, with hands-on coaching and AI tools. This intensive one-day workshop guides you step by step in transforming vague ideas into clear, coherent, and measurable product strategies using AI tools like chatbots and real frameworks. You'll learn to apply AI in product discovery, define vision statements, build user personas, outline value metrics, and shape a full business model, all ready for execution. This workshop gives you the skills, artifacts, and confidence needed to take your idea into the next stage of development, whether it's prototyping or building a full product. Rezoomex Idea to Strategy, where your product vision becomes a strategic roadmap you can act on. Ready to build with clarity? Learn more. Visit www.rezoomex.com.